Ever change your WordPress theme settings so much that you just want to start fresh again? Don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to reset your WordPress theme and bring it back to its default state, the easy way. Let's start with a quick note. There are two main ways to reset your theme: using a plugin like WP Reset or manually through your theme customizer. If you want a complete reset, wiping out all the theme changes, widgets, and custom settings, the WP Reset plugin is your best option. Here's how you do it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then head to Plugins greater than Add New and search for WP Reset. Once it's installed and activated, go to Tools greater than WP Reset. Before doing anything, create a snapshot. This acts as a backup so you can restore your site if needed. Now scroll to the Site Reset section. Type Reset in the confirmation box and hit the Reset Site button. In a few seconds, your WordPress site, including your theme, will be completely reset to its default settings, just like a brand new installation. But if you only want to reset your theme settings without touching posts or pages, some themes offer a built-in reset option. Just go to Appearance greater than Customize and look for a Reset or Default Settings button. Not all themes have this, but it's worth checking before doing a full reset. And that's it. You've successfully brought your theme back to its original state. Resetting can be a great way to fix layout issues, test new designs, or simply start over clean. If you found this helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick and practical WordPress tips to level up your website.